guys, you'll have to forgive me for being away. I've been out moving to Bali and doing a whole lot of exciting stuff, but we're here now. So why don't we have a look at March the 3rd? So there's obviously quite a lot of CAD JPY here. We're going to be focusing on this area. Now, would we go in for a sell? Clearly it's not trending in the way that we want it to move down. Now, can we go in for a buy? Well, there's double tops and double bottoms afterwards, so we're not hopping into this trade. Pretty easy to tell from there. Great British Pound NZD on the 3rd. Again, two of them. Now, what can we see here on this buy? Potentially, we've been consolidating. Oh no, we have not. So, oh goodness. It's not double tops, it's not double bottoms. I can't believe I'm going to say this, but yep, you can hop into this trade. You can actually hop into this trade, there's nothing wrong with it. Unless the stop loss is too big. Oh, stop loss is way too big. So we're not going to hop into this trade at all. Now, this other buy, we can, but it's whether or not this is actually a low or not. See, this is something that I wouldn't take, even though it technically hits our rules of being over 15 pips and crossing the EMA, just because look how small that is. I wouldn't be hopping into it, even though it would hit everything that we want. Great British Pound NZD just hasn't hit it for us today. Unfortunate, because it would have been a really good winner. 1 to 4, and over here it would have been a really nice winner as well. Again, hitting 1 to 3. A shame, but we've got to stick to the rules. Great British Pound Chef 30. Now, what about this one? So I reckon we're not going to be consolidating again. No, we're not. Higher high, higher low, so yes, you can hop into this one here. Now, where's our last low? That's the real question, because that ain't one. So our last low would be all the way down here somewhere. Therefore, you can't hop into this trade, right? On Great British Pound Chef, you can't hop into it. CAD JPY, we've already talked about. Great British Pound NZD, we've talked about. So this is NZD CAD on the 1 hour. Was consolidating through here, but we broke out of it and we came back up, filled that gap, so we're fine. We've got lower highs and lower lows. Great, that's fine. It's not going to have hit consolidation quite at this point, so you can definitely hop in. That's your entry, that's your stop. This is over 15 pips long, and there you go. We would have made another 1 to 3. So with this here, you dual trade, you go for a 1 to 2 and a 1 to 3, that's 5%. So happy days. USD JPY in 30 minutes. Ooh, I don't think we looked at this actually. Sell, clearly not trending at all. So no, we wouldn't be hopping into the USD JPY. Already looked at CAD JPY. Wow, look at all of these. This is absolutely crazy how many there are. I can already tell it's ranging before we can hop into any of this stuff, so you couldn't hop into either of these USD CAD ones here. AUD USD on the 4 hour. Again, ranging, couldn't hop into any of this. Even if you did, you've got lower highs, lower lows. You can't hop into it, it hasn't been trending. So this is on the 1 hour over here. Already can tell, again, ranging before we even hop into any of this stuff, so you'd never hop into NZD USD. So obviously now we've got Euro NZD completely done and dusted. Those are all our trades, so you would have made 5% from the week overall. Yes, we missed out on some winners. Yes, we missed out on the loser. Could we have made more? No, because these are the rules and that's what we've got to stick to. The rules made us money this week, it made us money the other week, and we have to just keep on sticking with the rules. There is no other choice. So that being said, guys, hope you had a really good one, and I will see you for the next one, which will be tomorrow. See you then, guys. Bye.